Okay guys, finally I'm ready to change the sandpaper because till now I was using 320 and I was able to get rid of all the scratches that were previously on the head. I think that the result is satisfying and I can actually leave the head as it is, but I want to give it a couple of runs with 400 sandpaper because I feel like it is be a better finish for what I'm trying to do, and it is gonna polish the head a little bit better. Just I'm gonna get rid of these minor scratches that I left with the 320. Anyway, so let's jump to 400 and give it a run with that as well. Well guys, this is it. I'm finally done with the preparations of the head. Now all I have to do is to clean it properly. I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna dry it and I'm gonna start assembling this. And this is what I was able to accomplish. I know it is not perfect and it's not much, but I finally can safely assemble this thing, and we're gonna see what the result is going to be after all this work. I'm hoping that it's gonna have more than enough power so it will be fun enough to be driven, because it is heavy. As you can see, the car is not small, and that means that it's gonna need just a little bit more power. But I'm gonna just be patient a little bit more. I'm gonna jump right into washing this, and then I can start assembling the seals on the valves, and then the valves and the turbine and everything else. So let's go.